Hello students, how are you? Hope all of you are fine. Today I am going to teach you how to insert a table in MS Word. Before inserting a table in MS Word, let us know what is a table. A table is an intersecting grid of rows and columns. So what is a row and what is a column? Now look at this table. This horizontal representation is known as a row. So there are two rows in this table, and the vertical representation of data are called column. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 columns in this table. And the intersection of a particular row and a particular column is known as a cell. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 cells are there in this table. So 2 rows, 4 columns and 8 cells are there in this table. Okay, so the concept of rows and column, cell, table, all these are clear. Next, how can we insert a table in MS Word? For this, we have to click on this insert tab. Here under the insert tab, you can see this table option. When you will click on this table, you will see there are some options by which you can insert a table. So the basic and the easiest way to insert a table in MS Word is just to move the mouse and select the number of rows you want to insert in MS Word. Just move the mouse, no need to click, just move the mouse on this grid and you can see the rows and columns are automatically selected. So suppose here I want to select a table with 2 rows and 2 columns. So I will just move the mouse over these 2 rows and 2 columns. After that I will click on there. So you can see a table has been created here with 2 rows and 2 columns. So these and these are 2 rows and these are 2 columns. So this is the easiest way to insert a table in MS Word. Next, same, go to insert, then table. You can see there a option insert table. Insert table, when you will click on this option insert table, you will get a insert table dialog box. Here you have to mention or you have to put the number of columns and the number of rows. Suppose you want a table with number of columns 4 and the number of rows also 4. So you just put the numbers over there and click on OK. See, a table has been inserted with 4 columns and 4 rows. Got it? So a table is inserted here with 4 columns and 4 rows. Next, the third option, that is draw table. Here you can draw your own table. See, when you click on this option, you will see that your cursor has changed to a pencil icon. So just you have to now draw a table. So just click on the mouse and drag. Click on mouse and drag. After that again click on mouse and drag. See, you can see there I've just created a table with rows and columns. Okay, excuse me, rows and columns. Okay, now tell me how many rows and how many columns are there in this table? Can you tell me how many rows and how many columns are there in this table? See, there are 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rows are there, 4 columns are there in this table. 1 2 3 4. 4 columns are there in this table, and 1 2 3 4. 4 rows are there in this table. So 4 and 4 rows and 4 columns are there in this table. So we have created a table with 3 ways. Just move the mouse, insert table dialog box, and draw table with this pencil icon. So here you have already known about how to create a table in MS Word. Okay, so that's it for today. We will see you in the next video. Thank you.